Hello. A light on my car's dashboard is telling me something. Every time I press the brake pedal, this warning lamp comes on. So when I check my car's manual, it tells me, in French, that a bulb is burned. It was easy to guess that since the warning light comes on every time I press the brake pedal, one of the brake lights is out. Simple as it is. Change the bulb and hit the road. But can you tell how the car knows the bulb is burned? Let's take a look into the electric diagram. Rear lights and a mysterious object number 7/75. It is located next to relays and it is round in shape. When the brake pedal is pressed, a switch under the pedal closes this electric circuit, illuminating brake lights. The current runs through the 7/75. And here it is. Let's see what's inside. A set of electric coils winded in pairs. Inside these coils we have glass tubes. So how does it work? First, the electric coil. When we hold our right hand around the coil and fingers show the direction of conventional electric current flow, the thumb shows the electric north pole of the magnetic field created by this coil. When we have two coils winded together and we apply electric DC currents in opposite directions to each coil, the magnetic fields created by those two coils will cancel out. This is one part of the story. Now let's take a look at the glass tube inside the coils. It is a reed switch. Two electrodes enclosed inside the glass tube vacuum. When a magnetic field is present nearby the two electrodes inside the tube, they come in contact, closing an electric circuit. A switch operated by magnetic field. Now, when we supply the electric current to the left side bulb through one coil, and to the right side bulb through the second coil, but in opposite direction, magnetic fields created by those two coils will cancel out each other. The reed switch will remain open and the light on the dash will not illuminate. When one of the two bulbs will fail, the electric current will not flow through one of the coils. The coil that will pass the current to the second bulb will create the magnetic field. Reed switch contacts will come together and allow electric current to flow to the dash lamp, and voila! The light goes on when the light is out. Just go with the flow and you will get what I mean. But this used to be like that in cars from the 80s and 90s. How does it work in newer cars or tablets on wheels? I don't know, but if it were up to me, I would use logic. Or rather, logic chips like 7400 and its logic NAND gates. When it gets signals at terminals A and B, it doesn't produce signal at the terminal X. When on the other hand the signal is missing at A or at B, or there is no signal at A and B at the same time, then there is the signal at X. Now, when we contact our terminal A with the right bulb circuit and our terminal B with the left, the terminal X with the dash light, then we have the burned bulb sensor. This one is even better than the double-coiled reed switch sensor. When two bulbs, right and left, are defective, the old setup will not illuminate the dash warning light. The logic gate sensor will. But once again, I don't know how it is done in modern cars. It is just my guess. If you know how it is done, explain it in the comment section. Now it works. Sweet.